What's up, guys? This is Drive With Me again with another video, guys. I'm going to drive you through beautiful city Burbank in California, and I'm going to drive you through downtown Burbank and stay with this video, guys, because I'm going to take you end of this video to a very high place and drive-through place called Raising Cane's chicken finger, guys. And this is crazy, guys. They opened up a few months ago here and in Burbank, and the line is crazy, guys. So stay there and watch this video until end. This is my first time I'm kind of going to Raising Cane's, and a little bit of the story that I researched, that this chicken place is specialist in finger chicken and tenders, and they are from Louisiana, and they open up, I think the first is 1996, and they have over 500 branches all over the world. The first international branch opened up in Kuwait. It's a small Middle Eastern country, and they open up over there, and now in Burbank, guys. Let's go and see beautiful Burbank and then Raising Cane's for first time. This is my first time Raising Cane's, and I want to test it and let you know how I feel. So let's go and drive with me, guys. Thank you, guys. This is Olive Avenue. Look at this park on right side. Beautiful. Burbank is one of my favorite city in Los Angeles and California, guys. And let me know if you've been here. Comment about Burbank. If you have any memory or anything to say about Burbank, can you please comment? And this is, we are almost there. It's Sunday, guys. Sunday at 3:30. You can see how busy even in Sunday in LA, and especially in Burbank. So guys, Cane's Chicken is my left side. If you see, we're approaching on left side, and look at this line, guys. Wow, this is what people is talking about. Wow, look at this line, guys. Okay, guys, I'm going. This is crazy. Let me see. People is. I need to U-turn. My car is a little bit big, so I can't. Wow, look at this line, guys. Okay, I'm not going to show you all time in the line, so I will tell you how many minutes from stopping by here to get my food. So let's count. So guys, I will edit this video, and I will go to the order and then film there and then pick up the food, and I will let you know how many minutes. So see you later. So guys, we are here after 4 minutes. Look at this. I have to turn around and go other side. Like, look at how many car is here, and this is crazy. And this is like Sunday at 3:30, guys, and even is not lunchtime, even not dinner time. And imagine at like 5-6 o'clock or 12 and 1 o'clock. So look at this. I have to go around and then turn, I think almost like maybe 60-70 cars. So look at this, I'm turning, look at these cars. They're just ordering over there, and I had to kind of turn. Wow, even they closed the road here. This is crazy. I never see something like this. Wow. Like there's 1, 2 lines, and there's 3 lines. That's crazy. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay guys, this is minute 16. I'm just close by to order my first Rising Cane's chicken finger. Wow, I don't know it's worth it or not, so I will give you update how many minutes to pick up my food. So this is minute 16, which I'm in line and waiting to order my first cane chicken. Where should I? Hi.
I'll take your order for you, sir.
This is my first time.
Oh, so what we do is recommend is the box combo. It has 4 fingers, a coleslaw fries, Texas toast, our signature sauce, and a drink. So that's what we recommend because it has a little bit of everything that we have.
Okay, can I try that one?
Yep.
With Diet Coke?
The Diet Coke, okay. Anything else?
That's it.
Would you like ketchup with your order?
Yes, and your special sauce, I heard.
It has one already. Do you want to add a dish, one more? Just in case.
Which one?
It comes with one already.
One is enough.
See, what you're going to do is going to stay to the left, sir. Have a great day.
Thank you. Okay, still guys in line. So see you in bed guys. When I pick up the food, I will stop by and let you know how many minutes took me to pick up my food, and I can show you how the food look like, and then I can test it and let you know guys. See you in a minute guys. Inside of the, look at this inside, let me show you inside. Inside is full of people. Look at this. Okay guys, almost here. After this car, you know how many minutes? Is 20, exactly 7 minutes I'm in line, and mostly like 30 minutes in a not busy day, not busy time for raising Kane's chicken. And let me go and pick it up, and then I can open up the favorite one, the popular one, and then go over that. Thank you guys. Okay guys, here is Kane's finger chicken. Look at this. This is the special sauce, coleslaw, Texas toast, and fries and chicken. Let me try this one. It's bread. Okay, let me try. Okay, this is coleslaw, and let me try the chicken for first time. This sauce became like one of the best dipping sauce. Let me try. Guys, this is nice, very fresh. Definitely in the sauce I can feel black pepper. It's good. It's fresh, but I'm not sure every time I can line up for 30-40 minutes to have Kane chicken finger. Look at this. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Kane. Finger chicken from Louisiana to here in Burbank. Thank you guys. See you later in another video. Thank you.